when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the channel. If you are new here, my name is Favor Opara and you do want to consider hitting the subscribe button to join us here, and do remember to tap on the notification bell by the side so you are alerted anytime I post new videos. Okay, starting this video, we are currently at PTI Junction driving into Osubi Road, and yes, as you've seen from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you Warri Airport. And yes, there is an airport functioning currently in Warri as at the time of making this video, which, aside giving you a tour of how this airport looks like as at in 2022, I'm going to be telling you a few things you need to know about this airport. Firstly, you need to know that Warri Airport is an aviation facility located in Osubi, which is within the Okpe local government area, serving the city of Warri and its environs in Delta State, Nigeria, which is in the southern part of Nigeria. I want you to also note that this airport is about 10 kilometers northeast of the city, Warri itself, in that we currently started this journey from PTI Junction, but this road, this Osubi Road, is just opposite the PTI Junction. So you could either take a tricycle or your own personal vehicle to drive into this road. And a major landmark on this road is the PTI Institute, that's the Petroleum Training Institute, which we just passed. And yes, we are about there. It just takes about 3 to 5 minutes from the junction down to the airport itself. So if you ever consider going to this airport, I would like to give a very quick advice. Please don't take a tricycle. Make sure you either take your personal car, or you could either order a ride, which is boat, because they don't enter into the premises of the airport. Just so you know, just in case you have loads or properties you like to carry into the airport. Okay, so now still on the road to the airport, I would also like you to note some other things about this Warri Airport before we get there. The Warri Airport is a domestic airport in that it just takes flights within the country. So it is not an international airport, and their locations are, little, and which is something I must say I don't really like about this airport. And one thing you need to know, that this airport is actually owned and operated by Shell. I'm going to give you a gist about that, but let's look at the environment of this airport because we are already here. This is the entrance. This is where keke, the keke park, the pedestrian area for the keke, as you can see. And we're going to be walking in now. Like I said before, make sure you come with your personal car or a boat ride or whatever ride, so you could just drive into the premises. But still, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you the environs. This is a water body by the side while we walk into this airport. Okay, I just got past the security check at the gate, and here we are within the airport, and this is how it looks like. This is the field area and also the landmass of the airport. But then I don't know if you can see the building itself, like in a bit. You'll see it in a bit, but then if you can see this tower-like structure ahead, yeah, that's the building. So yes, as I was saying before, I told you I was going to talk about the owners of this airport, which is Shell. So before this airport was constructed, there was a small airstrip that existed in a congested part of the city of Warri during the 1960s, and the runway was about like approximately 700 meters and 2,300 feet in length. And there was also a small terminal building, like an aircraft hangar, where aircraft or airplanes park. So but then it was so small that anytime the airplane took off or landed, the authorities had to go and, close off the adjacent road to the traffic so that the passing car will not be chipped by the airplane. But yeah, while we move into this building for the departure and check-in counters, let me tell you some things you'd like to know. I'm aware of the fact that compared to other airports in the world, or let me say in Nigeria, this airport is actually a very small airport. And yes, that is where my disappointment comes into place. When I had to meet the inquiry desk, I had to inquire and found out that this airport only have airlines that run from Warri to Lagos or Warri to Abuja, which I find really, really annoying, because to me, it doesn't really make sense that this airport or this airlines just fly from Warri to Lagos or Warri to Abuja. When you're going to any other parts of the country, like in Nigeria, you have to, cut the journey. But yeah, aside from that, this airport is a lot bigger than the one that existed back in the days. And this airport, like I said, is being owned by Shell and also being run by Shell. It was supposed to be owned by the government, but the way the government is, I don't know. a lot of things. But this airport was also closed down as a result of some controversies, but then later reopened in 2021. But now this airport is actually functioning, and they have about 4 airlines running. The first airline, Air Peace. The second is Arik Air. The third is Ibom Air. The fourth, which used to be Aero Contractors, no longer works again. I think United Nigerian Airlines have, taken over. I don't really know. I'm not sure of that. But then if you're sure of it, you can put it down in the comment section, okay? So yes, that's what you need to know about this airport, which is also known as the Osubi Airport. Yes, I hope you actually enjoyed this video, and if you've watched this part of the video and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, because it will actually help this video. It will help the algorithm push this video to as many persons that are looking for it, or people that have lived in Warri or currently live in Warri or are planning to move to Warri or have visited Warri or would like to visit Warri, in time to come. So please do like the video and also share the video to as many persons as you can. And thank you so much for watching. So this is the exit of the airport, and with all this you've seen, I would like you to rate this airport down in the comment section. So as you can see, the airport is telling you goodbye, and I also want to at this point tell you goodbye and thank you for watching. See you in my next video, okay? Bye bye.